Hello and welcome to the Daily Bellringer. My name is Jared Bruning and I'm a teacher that has taught American history, world history, geography, basically anything social studies for over 10 years at the junior high level. And the purpose of this channel is to give teachers and students a simple resource to learn American history. As a teacher, I know the first few minutes of class are tough because you have several administrative tasks to do and simply trying to get things organized for the lesson. And for students, they're coming from another subject area such as science, math, or PE, and now they need to get their mind set on history. Or a homeschool student might need an introduction to a topic or simply reinforcement of a historic event. The Daily Bellringer offers short 4 to 6 minute summaries of historic events and people that include questions in the video description for students to answer. There will always be 4 comprehension questions and 1 critical thinking question for students to consider. These videos could be used as a classroom warm-up or possibly a review for students to watch. The Bellringer videos are a great resource for home educators to supplement their curriculum or give students further reinforcement of topics. Now, these videos are not going to cover every single detail of every topic. Rather, their purpose is to give the students the basic background knowledge of these events so that they can then dive deeper into the topic with primary sources or project activities. And speaking of activities, if you are interested, check out dailybellringer.com where you'll find worksheets that go directly with many of the Bellringer videos. They include additional questions and a variety of primary sources, art activities, and interactive writing prompts. These worksheets are a great, simple extension of lessons and allow students to demonstrate what they have learned. So check out dailybellringer.com for more resources. I truly hope the Daily Bellringer will become part of your daily class routine and an easy resource that both teachers and students can utilize. So I hope you like the channel, and thanks.